every day, all day, all the time. What is this for?
Oh,
That's right. Welcome to Highway 30. I'm Sarah.
and I'm Amy, and we're here to help you get creative. So today we're getting back to our rope, bowl, basket, bowl, corded things.
They're things that are made out of corded rope, cotton, poly cording.
Yeah, and we're actually not going to make any bowls today. We are going to make some coasters to test a couple of different ideas on how to decorate them.
Yeah, we have ideas for techniques. We're not going to give it away in the intro here, so you just have to watch and see, but it's going to be cool.
So first we're going to play with adding some color to the bowl. It's not a bowl.
Rope.
It could be a bowl.
It could be a bowl, but today it's not a bowl.
No, we're just starting with the rope. We're going to color the rope and then make the coasters. And I've already said about the two different ways we're going to try decorating them.
Right.
So we could say that again, or we could just get to it. What should we do, Sarah?
This is a big old flub, so we're just gonna get to it because that's what we do best.
Yeah, let's go.
Do it.
Project time.
Let's go. Is this the best way?
No.
Oh, there you go. That's better. There we go. We've got some aquamarine.
White shirts.
I know, that was a great idea.
right, we have our cute little coasters here. I said cute.
And I can't remember any of the other synonyms.
I know, right? Splendiferous coasters.
Splendiferous in this gorgeous blue that I'm sure everybody recognizes in our audience.
Exactly. It's Highway 30 blue. Also
love
known
this.
as, I think, aquamarine.
Aquamarine.
Which you saw a few minutes ago. We did decide to dye the rope first, and then I did use some cotton thread. You know, I consulted with Sarah, do we like this? Because I could dye it again. If you use cotton thread, you can totally just dye after, and then you won't have all of the lines. But we decided
I like it.
it was cute. So,
Of course.
and we're gonna use a white HTV and we're gonna use white paint for testing our 2 different methods here. So
Just gave it some texture.
yeah, we're gonna leave it.
Additional texture.
See how it looks. I think we need to weed.
That's so satisfying.
My eyeballs.
You got it.
So close.
I guess I could trim that just a tad with these aquamarine scissors.
Oh yeah. All right, we're stenciling.
So I'm pulling out the letter.
Yeah.
That took a lot of brain power. It's early.
Cut really well today.
Okay, yeah, we got
So,
all the way through.
I have an idea. If your setting happens to make it so that you're cutting all the way through,
There we go.
and I think I might have done it on yours too. Flip it
Yep.
over
Tape it up. Yep, look.
just to add some tape to it.
All right, so now we are going to sticky.
Apply our stencil.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna pick 2, doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter.
See, now it doesn't matter that the silhouette
Cut too deep.
cut too aggressively. Top of this too.
Oh, okay.
Just
So we can like go crazy and
Right.
be all haphazard and throw
Yeah.
caution to the wind. We can throw paint.
there.
Good.
You just don't have to worry about it. So
Ready?
we've got these ready for our paint. Let's go ahead and get our other coasters ready with the HTV.
Get it.
All right, when we are weeding HTV, we like to use a light box because it is nearly impossible for my eyes to see the lines on this paper. So
Same. It helps.
if you put it on a light box, and I'm just going to keep that tape on it so it'll make it easy and it'll stick in place, then it's a lot easier to see that it is.
Yeah.
And this is not a stencil,
Opposite.
so we're going to leave
Opposite.
I'll do your S, you can do my A,
Okay.
because that's how
Fair.
it is. All right, now we just center and stick these on. Now we're
Yeah.
ready to test. Which one's gonna work better?
I think that I don't know.
I don't know. This one might look the sharpest, but I don't know if it's going to stick. So we'll see.
What?
Ow!
What?
Sorry, I just put my toe under the stool.
Oh,
and then sat down. I'm okay.
Do you need a toe massage?
These have already popped up. It's okay.
Breathe. Okay, I'm good. I had no idea. There could have been like a lightning bolt that just came down right now.
I just sat on my toe. Ow.
These are very sharp and pointy.
Yeah, I'll be fine.
Okay, you good?
I'm good. Okay, let's get to this. We're going to use the Waverly chalk paint in white to spounce our stencils onto the coasters.
All right.
And we're never going to learn. And I have too much
Bouncing arm ready.
lotion on my hand. My arm is sore.
I also.
Oh,
I
you're
got
good,
it. I
you're
think you just loosened it.
Yeah, I did.
Just throw that on the floor. Sorry. I'm gonna do
All
my
right.
S first, I think.
Oh, okay.
You can do whatever you want.
Oh, it's kind of filling in a little bit. I'm
It
not
is.
going to stress about it being completely filled in. And as I'm looking at this, I'm wondering if we even need to do a second coat.
I'm spouncing on the edge. I think that's good. I really want to peel the edge up, but I'm not going to.
I know, we're going to wait.
We're gonna wait. All right.
Now, if this works, this will be a really neat thing to do on. I mean, you can really personalize the side of a bowl
You could. Yep.
or a basket, a rope bowl basket bowl.
Rope bowl, basket bowl, rope
Whatever you decide to
bowl.
call it.
We call it all things, all times.
Yeah.
It's got a handle. It's a basket.
Yeah. It doesn't. It's a bowl.
It's a bowl. Is this a rope bowl coaster?
Rope bowl. A rope bowl coaster. We could make a bowl for the coasters to go in.
We could.
Yeah.
I do have that at home. You have one as well.
Yeah. Mom, of
Thanks,
course,
Mom.
has made a set of coasters in a bowl to fit them perfectly. So we'll show you that right now.
Okay.
Alrighty.
I think I'm done.
Let's set these aside to dry while we try the HTV.
Beautiful.
All right, so now we have our little setup for our easy press. What I do have is just a piece of wood under here to protect the table. And just one of these ironing mats. Probably got it off of Amazon. The instructions for this sizer, all of the HTVs are a little bit different. I did look this up and it was recommended for the easy press, 335 degrees for 10 to 15 seconds. It's one that you pull off while it's hot. And then we might want to repress it if we notice that it's coming up or anything. So
15 seconds.
let's try it. I don't know if we should cover it with something. I mean, this plastic is usually all you need, but I'll get my little press.
Okay. So, Amy's not having luck with the stool today.
Oh my gosh.
That was
my knee.
Okay, you're gonna fall apart. I think so. Just be careful.
All right.
I'm worried now.
We have our pressing cloth that's probably older than both of us.
Yes, probably.
And stay down. Just lay your hand there. And I'm kidding.
Right, yeah, no. Cricket it.
Go. Pressure. Will it stick?
It's the most expensive iron on the face of the planet.
I know, right? It did. It's stuck.
That's
Look,
cool.
it works. It does work.
Charlie's excited.
Just maybe hit it for another 5 seconds.
Okay, let's do it.
You know what?
Do you need the plastic over it?
Just the pressing cloth.
Just the cloth.
You can do both at the same time.
Okay.
Oh, sorry, that was your job.
That's my job. That's my whole job right now.
maybe 10 seconds.
Yeah.
Feels good.
Looks good. So excited to peel.
I know, this is the best part. These are dry now, pretty much.
They are dry. We did hit them with a dryer for a moment.
And only one coat.
One coat. Feeling confident about that. That's cool.
It didn't bleed.
It did not bleed. I'm very impressed, actually. It is subtle, but I like that.
This one did bleed a little bit more, but
yeah, but not.
Yeah.
No.
All right. So let's do our little comparison here.
I love them. So there's definitely a vibrance, obviously, to
Yeah.
the vinyl. But we knew that. We called that.
Right.
We are also going to give these a test, obviously.
Yes.
To see how they react
As coasters.
as coasters.
So this is it's a very big difference here. And I don't know, I like how bold the HTV is. It did actually stick. It'll be interesting to see how it holds up to actually having a sweaty glass on it.
I mean, this is more intricate.
This, though, I think this is, which one is your favorite?
I don't know.
I think my favorite is the paint. It looks neat, and it's more subtle than the others.
But I like how subtle it is.
This, I'm afraid, kind of looks like a sticker.
It does look like, well, it is a sticker.
I mean, it is a sticker, but it looks like a sticker. If I were gonna make a whole set, though, I think I'd paint. What about you?
I would paint.
Yeah, samesies.
That's our best intro ever.